So, what is digital music distribution? In order to understand the digital music distribution process, first we will have to go through the conventional music distribution process. Music distribution is a process where independent artists or any record label distribute their finished tracks globally for a sale on stores through music distributors with an agreement. And during this process, large percentage of revenue are consumed by the music distributors and store owners. Artists are left out with a very small percentage, as music distribution is not an easy task. From studios to music stores, CD distribution requires music distributors' involvement. To some extent, individual artists might get into agreement with the music distributors, but most of the time it's the record label, and they too keep most of the revenue shares. So basically, you are required to go for a record deal before distributing your music globally, which I don't think is easy, as record labels don't entertain every single independent artist on this earth. Yeah, exactly. It's the digital music distribution. Digital music distribution process can make all the independent music artists' life easier. Now, individual artists are not required to go for a record deal for the music distribution process, and they can directly sell their finished tracks globally on all major online music stores. The process is so easy and less time consuming. Above all, it's on the budget, and you guys can do it from your home. The benefit? You keep 100% of the royalties. So how did it happen? How it started? Long story short, as vinyl was killed by cassette, and cassette was killed by CD, and finally CD being killed by MP3. If you guys refer to Digital Music Report or RIIA, then you guys will have an idea that at what percentage CD sales have declined during the last 10-15 years, and MP3 sales have been boosted. So what's the fuss about MP3? Again, long story short, you guys can now have thousands of tracks with you on your smartphone or media player. With CDs, that was not possible. Now people can buy a single track from an album, as that was not possible with the CDs. You don't need to pay for the whole album if you just like one track in it, right? You can browse through hundreds of catalog tracks in your smartphone and desktop. It's so easy to audition it. That was not possible with the CDs. And last but not least, it's the paid digital music streaming service. You subscribe the service and listen to the latest chart or whatever genre you like. Just tune in it. So basically, it's the digital MP3 revolution, which again have a major impact on our music industry. To this point, I think you all have a better idea about the music distribution process. So let's go through some of the major digital music distribution services which are available today. Guys, I won't be going deep in details, but I will have a basic overview about them. And guys, do read the terms and conditions before signing up. So stay tuned.